Welcome, in front of me I have LG K50S and today we are going to make the fingerprint sensor test. We are going to make like 5 tries and we are going to check how fast the sensor works and if it works every time, so if it is reliable. And of course the fingerprint sensor on the smartphone you can find right here. So I will grab it in the hand, then place finger here and I will show you the screen if it is unlocked. So let's make it. So as you can see, only first try was incorrect and in the others the sensor works really good. It's pretty fast and it's for sure reliable. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.